Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Manisha Barani and thank you so much for clicking this video. Today I am going to teach you quick chocolate fudge. This is very quick and easy to make. So let's start. For quick chocolate fudge we required condensed milk, crushed biscuit, chocolate ganache, cashew, walnut, cocoa powder and milk. I am taking 2 tablespoon cocoa powder, half a cup milk. Mix both the ingredients well. After mixing both the ingredients well, I am adding 200 grams condensed milk. Give a nice whisk and keep this mixture in microwave on the high temperature for 2 minutes. Stir this mixture well. I am adding 1 cup chocolate ganache in this. Mix again. My chocolate ganache link is in description. Please go through that link. Now I am keeping this mixture again for 2 minutes on high temperature in microwave. After removing from the microwave, just mix all the ingredients well. Cool this mixture for 5 minutes. After cooling, I am adding 1 cup crushed biscuit. Mix these ingredients well. I am keeping this mixture in microwave on high temperature for 3 minutes. After removing from microwave, I am cooling this mixture completely. You can see this consistency. This is very thick. Fudge is ready now. I am serving this in disposable cup. I am sprinkling chopped walnut, chopped cashews. Our chocolate fudge is ready now. If you like my recipe, subscribe to my channel, like and share. Bye bye.